Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Johannes Favi, and I'm speaking to you today from Indianapolis, where I live with my wife and our children. I'm grateful to have the chance to be with them because only weeks ago, I was in immigration detention in a county jail in Kankakee, Illinois. I was detained there for almost 1 year waiting for the government to process a petition filed for my green card. While I was detained, my wife gave birth to our second child and our family lost our home. I met our new baby in a picture by mail. I saw a man detained with me hang himself to try to commit suicide. I feel traumatized still today from all that I saw. I'm 32 years old and I have lived in the United States since 2013. My wife and I have two children, 1.5-year-old little girl and a 5-month-old son. We are also raising my 5-year-old daughter who has a serious health issue that requires regular hospital visits. I have a history of health problems too, including a severe case of pneumonia that left me with ongoing respiratory problems. In June 2019, immigration officer arrested me at a courthouse in Indiana when I appeared in connection with an old case from 2015. That case is the only time I have ever been arrested, and I paid a heavy price when I accepted the plea bargain and spent months in jail. However, because of that old conviction, I was in immigration detention for nearly a year with no bond hearing. It felt to me like I was assumed guilty without having a chance to prove my innocence. Most of the people detained with me had no chance, and I would see that every Friday when they would deport 15 or more people at a time out of our cell block. Many people are deported so fast that between transfer, they are unable to communicate with their family abroad or even see a judge before they leave. The rest of us who tried to fight our case felt that we were desperately waiting for our turn to be slaughtered. Some waited for a year or 2 or 3 years surviving on antidepressant pills. I believe more than 60% of my block was on pills during the holiday season. A week before my son was born, I broke down. I was so stressed, anxious, that I was unable to sleep for 3 days. Being in that jail for so long, it felt like torture. ICE has the power to free you, but they don't want to. Keeping you in jail gets to your mind, to your soul. So you want to give up on your freedom and even on your life. We first start hearing about COVID-19 virus from the news. The officer would say to me, "You again with that story like it was some fake news." But to me, it was no joke because my life was in danger and my children were outside depending on me. When the outbreak started, the facility did not give us any instruction. No one told us to wash our hands or avoid touching our faces. They did not distribute gloves, masks, or hand sanitizer. The guard did not maintain social distance that would come too close to us to speak to us. It is impossible to practice social distancing in detention. I was housed in an open dorm in a block that had 48 people. It was split into 12 cubicles with divider, and each cubicle had 4 people sharing one toilet and one sink. We had to line up closely together to receive meal and ate together closely at table just like at a food court. When the coronavirus came, it was a disaster for my family. My wife had to try to care for the children herself while working on her shift at the post office. I worried so much for my daughter who has special needs. Who will be able to take her to the hospital? Who will be there for them? When the appointment with USCIS for my visa was canceled because of the virus, I fear my detention will have no end. If it wasn't for my legal team at the National Immigrant Justice Center and the decision of the federal court judge, I wouldn't have the chance to be with my family today. I still live in fear that one day ICE will arrest me again and handcuff me in front of my kid. I look at our life now and I know we have to start all over again. This would have been done differently. Did I really think I will run away when I'm a father of 3 children and I have my passport? Detention is not the solution for a civil matter like immigration, especially during this pandemic. It is wrong to put people in handcuffs and in handcuffs as if they were in a maximum security prison. I never thought the United States justice system could be this wrong. I think every day about the people who are still in detention who should not be there. Today, I'm given the opportunity to be their voice. Member of Congress, they are counting on you. I am thankful for your time listening to me today. I have faith in you. God bless you.